In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit memo efficiently and accurately. This essential process is crucial for many businesses, especially for managing customer accounts and ensuring that all financial records are meticulously kept up to date. Now, let's break things down step by step so that you can follow along with confidence and ease. First, we begin by creating a new credit memo. This document serves as an official notification to your customer that their account has been credited, usually due to a returned product, a discount applied, or an error in billing. It's important to approach this task with care to maintain professionalism and clarity in your financial operations. Next, you'll need to fill in both the customer and credit details. Start by entering the customer's name or customer ID. This step is vital as it ensures that the credit memo applies correctly to the intended recipient's account. It's a good practice to double-check the information you enter here to avoid any costly mistakes later on. Following that, input the credit details. This will include the monetary amount you are crediting back to the customer and a description or reason for the credit memo. Be as precise and clear as possible in your descriptions. This helps in maintaining transparent communication with the customer and also aids your internal tracking. You might want to add any relevant invoice numbers or product identification information to the memo. By doing so, you create a clear connection between the returned goods or billing issues and their resolutions, making it easier for everyone to follow. Once all the necessary fields have been carefully completed, the final step is to save your credit memo. Saving this document ensures that the process is finalized and securely logged into your accounting system. It also means that any updates you've made are now recorded, allowing you to refer back to them whenever needed. You'll want to make sure that your system confirms the save to prevent any potential loss of information. Take a moment to double check everything to confirm that all the details are correct before you finalize your entry. And there you have it, the process of creating a credit memo from start to finish. As you follow these steps, always keep in mind the importance of accuracy, attention to detail, and timely follow-up with your customers, ensuring that your financial records are both precise and professional. I hope this guide has made it clearer how to navigate this aspect of financial management within your workflow. Remember,